going on, guys? DJ Low Stacks here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another product review video. Today what we're going to be doing is taking a look at my brand new iPad photo booth. I cannot begin to explain how excited I am about busting this sucker out at some events and making a little side money. Now today we have the Vibe photo booth from photoboothstartup.com. I will leave a link in the description where you can pick this sucker up. It retails for $1,999 right now, which I think is a steal of a deal because I plan on selling this sucker for $400 to $500 per gig. Haven't quite got that dialed in yet, but we're working on it. And I'm going to be doing digital only, so no prints. So this thing's going to be just text message, email, that's it. No printing. So that's going to save me some time and some money there, not having to buy prints. Now, what you get when you buy this sucker is you get this ring light here. It actually locks in the back. So it has a lock with a key. It locks in the back. You throw your iPad in here. Has this nice little panel here that holds the iPad in place. Turn the key, lock it, so you don't have to worry about anybody stealing your iPad. Now it sets up really quick and easy too. It's just this simple bracket system here. You can set this whole thing up, like, as long as you don't have problems getting the iPad connected to the Wi-Fi, you can set this thing up in probably less than 5 minutes and be out of there. Now, unless you have a backdrop and a bunch of props and things like that, which I definitely do plan on adding a backdrop and some props eventually, but for now I'm going to do just the booth. Now you also have some other ways that you can mount this thing. It does come with this wall mount here, so if you wanted to do a permanent mounting, say you had a bar or a restaurant or something like that, you can mount the sucker on the wall there with this mount. And it also comes with this super nifty tabletop mount. So say for whatever reason you needed to have this thing sitting on a table rather than on the stand, you can use this tabletop mount. Mounts on here, sits on a table, nice clean look. And you also get this nice padded case. It's got the Photo Booth Startup logo on there. The case only holds the ring light itself. You can leave the iPad inside the ring light, and then you can put all the power cables and everything in this bag. Some super cool features about this thing are, you can probably see it already, the colored ring light here. So that's designed to kind of draw people's attention into the booth rather than just having the white light showing. You got this nice colored light, and how it works is when you have the white light on, so here's your white light. So when you have this light on, it's attached to this motion sensor. So after about 30 seconds or so, without somebody being in front of it, it's going to turn off. And then you're going to see the colored ring light come on to draw people's attention. And then once they come up and step in front of it, the motion detector senses that. It flicks on the white light. Boom, they walk up, hit start. Next thing you know, they're doing photos. Now the app that I'm using is actually LumaBooth. I will leave the name of that down in the description as well. Download that through the App Store. It's $20 a month for unlimited events, which I thought was going to be best bang for your buck kind of thing, because I don't know how much I'm going to be able to sell this thing this year since I do have the majority of my weddings already booked. But I am going to try and upsell some of my brides on this if they do not already have a photo booth. Now, LumaBooth does a lot of different things. You can do photos, GIFs, boomerang, and video, and you can send it to smartphone via text message. You can email it to yourself. If you want to do a printer, you can do a wireless printer. Like I said, I'm not going to do that option. You can also airdrop, because this is Apple. You can airdrop, which is super cool. So say you don't have Wi-Fi, which where I'm at, I'm in the middle of nowhere. There's a lot of places that don't have Wi-Fi. Airdrop, as long as the customer has an iPhone, they can have the photos airdrop directly to their phone. So super convenient. Now, where I think this thing is going to come in super handy is for mobile DJs that are a single op like myself. I don't bring anyone with me to help. I'm there by myself, so I can set this thing up, still DJ, still make my DJ money, make my side money off the photo booth as well. I'm in and out. This isn't going to hinder my setup time of my DJ stuff very much because it's only taking about 5 minutes to get this thing set up. Now, if you're a photographer, this works great for that too. So, photographer, you can go off and be doing your photography work, and this thing's making you money in the background. Videographer, same thing. So, this is definitely the way to go if you are already running another business and you just want to add this on. But say you have a photography or a photo booth business already as well, boom, why not add one of these too? And just have it come in, at a little lower price point than your larger booth because it's going to be unmanned. Like these things are genius. This is actually running on a 13-inch iPad Pro, which has a 6 megapixel front-facing camera, so it does take pretty darn good videos. They do make this thing capable of supporting other iPads as well. So if you have the newer iPad Pro, that's great. This is the first gen. The newer iPad Pros work great, and you can also use the regular iPad as well. It's just not going to take quite as good of pictures because it doesn't have that higher resolution front-facing camera. Alright guys, that's pretty much all I have for today's video. As always, if you like what you saw today, please give this video a like. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.